How are you feeling? How are you feeling? I am not feeling well. I am not feeling well. I am feeling great. Thanks. I am feeling great. Thanks. What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is pizza. Can you cook well? Can you cook well? Yes, I am a pretty good cook. Yes, I am a pretty good cook. No, I am not a good cook. No, I am not a good cook. Do you have siblings? Do you have siblings? No, I don't have any siblings. No, I don't have any siblings. Yes, I have two brothers. Yes, I have two brothers. Yes, I have two sisters. Yes, I have two sisters. What's your job? What's your job? I am currently unemployed. I am currently unemployed. I work as a graphic designer. I work as a graphic designer. I work as a software engineer. I work as a software engineer. Are you married yet? Are you married yet? No, I am not married. No, I am not married. Yes, I am married. Yes, I am married. Where were you born? Where were you born? I was born in Texas. I was born in Texas. I was born in Paris. I was born in Paris. Can you drive a car? Can you drive a car? No, I can't drive. No, I can't drive. Yes, I can drive. Yes, I can drive. Yes, I am a skilled driver. Yes, I am a skilled driver. What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? My favorite color is green. My favorite color is green. My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. I don't have a favorite color. I don't have a favorite color. Do you like pets? Do you like pets? No, I am not fond of pets. No, I am not fond of pets. Yes, I love dogs. Yes, I love dogs. Yes, I love pets, especially dogs. Yes, I love pets, especially dogs. How old are you? How old are you? I am 25 years old. I am 25 years old. I am 30 years old. I am 30 years old. I prefer not to disclose my age. I prefer not to disclose my age. Have you traveled abroad? Have you traveled abroad? No, I have never traveled abroad. No, I have never traveled abroad. Yes, I have traveled to many countries. Yes, I have traveled to many countries. Yes, I have been to Italy and Thailand. Yes, I have been to Italy and Thailand. What's your favorite hobby? What's your favorite hobby? I don't have any hobbies. I don't have any hobbies. My favorite hobby is painting. My favorite hobby is painting. Do you exercise regularly? Do you exercise regularly? Yes, I try to exercise 3 times a week. Yes, I try to exercise 3 times a week. No, I don't exercise regularly. No, I don't exercise regularly. Can you speak another language? Can you speak another language? Yes, I speak Spanish fluently. Yes, I speak Spanish fluently. No, I only speak English. No, I only speak English. How do you relax? How do you relax? I relax by reading a good book or taking a long bath. I relax by reading a good book or taking a long bath. What's your dream vacation? What's your dream vacation? My dream vacation is to explore the beaches of Greece. My dream vacation is to explore the beaches of Greece. Are you good at dancing? Are you good at dancing? No, I am not very good at dancing. No, I am not very good at dancing. Yes, I am a pretty good dancer. Yes, I am a pretty good dancer. Do you play any sports? Do you play any sports? Yes, I play tennis and basketball. Yes, I play tennis and basketball. No, I don't play any sports. No, I don't play any sports. Can you play a musical instrument? Can you play a musical instrument? Yes, I can play the piano. Yes, I can play the piano. No, I can't play any musical instrument. No, I can't play any musical instrument. What's your biggest fear? What's your biggest fear? My biggest fear is heights. My biggest fear is heights. I don't really have any big fears. I don't really have any big fears. Do you believe in ghosts? Do you believe in ghosts? No, I don't believe in ghosts. No, I don't believe in ghosts. Yes, I do believe in ghosts. Yes, I do believe in ghosts. Do you like party? Do you like party? Yes, I enjoy going to parties with friends. Yes, I enjoy going to parties with friends. No, I don't really like parties. No, I don't really like parties. Practice these and you will learn to speak English faster. I say one thing again and again. To speak English, you have to practice regularly. Only then you can speak English. It is not possible to speak English without practice. So, if you want to speak English, practice it from today. Like or comment if you like the video. Stay well and keep learning English with me.